Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today I'm going to do a full wrap tumbler. That's also a V split. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. I'm starting out with this 20-ounce straight stainless tumbler from the Stainless Depot. And I'm going to go ahead and prep it. I sand it down and clean it off with 91% rubbing alcohol. Now, everything that I use will be listed in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. So I'm going to be using these vinyls from the Peachy Olive Glitter, and I went ahead and cut out a template of sort on my silhouette, just so that I knew that everything would be pretty even. So for the major part of it, I'm going to be using these really pretty flowers with the stripes, and then the coordinating watercolor for the other one. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the excess vinyl, and we're going to prepare to place this on our tumbler. So I'm just going to go ahead and line this up, trying to get it as straight as possible. And then I will remove the backing once I'm satisfied with the placement of the vinyl that we had previously cut. I'm happy with this, so I'm just going to pull that back and lay it down. Now, then I'm going to use my squeegee for the rest of it and place that down. And then hopefully using this squeegee will eliminate as many bubbles as possible, but you're always going to have some. So I just use my weeding pen to pop those bubbles. And then right here, it folded over a little bit as I was placing it down. So I'm just fixing that. And then I'm going to put the vinyl down at the bottom. I'm going to smooth them as best as I can over that edge, because we are going to put vinyl on the bottom of this tumbler as well. So I do use my heat gun to just warm up that vinyl a little bit so that I can smooth it down as smooth as possible. So this is the V of our V split, but I'm going to go ahead and place it on the bottom now. I had cut out a circle and the size of the bottom of the tumbler. And I'm going to place that as even as possible. And I ended up cutting another one a little bit bigger because I wasn't exactly happy with one part of it. So I just did cut it out another one, but I didn't show that on screen. So I'm popping bubbles on the bottom also. And then we'll move into the V part using this gorgeous vinyl. Using my craft knife, I am just cutting off a little bit of that overlapped. And then I will trim up the top as well, just to show that little bit of stainless steel so our epoxy has something to adhere to. So I am going to put this on the turner and do 1 coat of epoxy. And I did add just a little bit of Flurries by Peachy Olive Glitters into my epoxy, just to add a little sparkle. So now that I got that, I'm going to go ahead and sand lightly the rim and anywhere there might be a bump. And then we're going to apply striping. Now I did 2 different kinds of striping. One I cut on my silhouette, and then I used 2 other nail tapes that are like super skinny. So I used this silver, and I'm just going to place that on each side of the V to cover up those seams. And I was just going to leave it like this, but it was just missing something. And that's when I decided to add the nail tape. So I'm cutting off the excess from the bottom and the top. And the first nail tape I'm going to use is like this rose gold color. I don't know that it's a true rose gold, but it matches with the flowers. So I thought that was perfect. And I'm going to place this on the inside of the silver vinyl on each side and cut off the excess. And now I'm adding this dark blue nail tape on the other side. Once I'm done with this, I am going to seal this with the CCDiy clear coat and then give it 2 final coats of epoxy. And this is what we end up with. And I really am obsessed with this. I think it is so pretty. And there's room to put a name on it or whatever, if anyone chooses, but this will be available on the website. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.